Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You already have the basics: account, payment, and product assets. Now begin by opening Shopify admin and navigating to products. Right arrow all products. Upload a CSV or add one product manually to establish your data structure. This prevents mismatched fields later. Once done, map columns to Shopify fields like title, SKU, price, inventory quantity, and wait so your import aligns. Make sure to set visibility and sales channels immediately to avoid hidden listings during launch. Continue by enriching each product entry. Add clear descriptions, alt text for images, and multiple variants if needed. Use the bulk editor to change prices, inventory, or tags across many items at once. It saves hours. Then configure fulfillment settings, pick locations and inventory policy, because this drives shipping and stock tracking. Next, organize products into automated collections using conditions like tag contains or price greater than, and review storefront preview to confirm category structure. Finish by previewing your catalog on each sales channel and performing a test checkout so you can catch tax, shipping, or product visibility issues. Publish collections and enable navigation links to ensure discoverability. If something breaks, missing images, SKU conflicts, or inventory showing 0, don't panic. Update the product in admin or re-import a corrected CSV and clear cache. If problems persist, sync with your inventory app and recheck field mappings to resolve mismatches once and for all.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.